Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Shares in Asia-Pacific rose sharply on Monday with Japan's Nikkei 2,225 adding 2.2%. European stocks rose on Monday as the US dollar fell. Traders lowered expectations of an aggressive Federal Reserve monetary tightening. By late morning, the Pan-European Stoxx 600 had gained 0.7%. Monday is Memorial Day in the United States. Markets are closed on Monday. On Monday morning, the U.S. dollar index hovered below 101.5 as bets on Fed rate hikes continued to decline. The resistance zone for gold prices was $1,860 to $1,865, and the price of gold has fallen below it. Oil prices reached their highest level in more than 2 months as traders waited for news from the European Union about whether they would be able to reach an agreement regarding Russian oil imports. Asian Pacific market. Shanghai officials will lift many conditions that businesses must reopen work starting Wednesday, a city official stated on Sunday. This is in relief of a 2-month-old city lockdown and will also implement policies to help the city's struggling economy. A Reuters poll showed that Japan's economy will grow at a slower rate this quarter than expected, despite optimism for a rebound in consumption following its resilience over the 3 months to March. Both sides of the Japanese yen hover around the 127 level. The resistance zone between $0.7230 and $0.7265 is where the Australian dollar is gaining strength. Market of Europe. The Eurozone's economic sentiment was unchanged in May, according to the European Commission's monthly survey. It rose from 104.9 in April to 105.0 in May. The data revealed that improved optimism in the services sector offsets waning confidence in industry. The euro rose to a 5-week high, closing at $1.076, 0.3%. It had risen 1.6% last Friday. The UK FTSE 100 rose to over 1-month highs Monday as a relaxation of China's COVID-19 curbs lifted spirits on Asian and European markets. Sterling consolidates around the $1.2635 level. Market of America. Wall Street will close for Memorial Day, but U.S. derivative markets are open. S&P 500 futures on E-minis increased 1% after rallying 6.6% last week. Nasdaq E-minis gained another 1.4%. Investors have taken advantage of hints that the Federal Reserve might slow down its tightening after it had hiked in June and July. The Canadian dollar is consolidating below the 1.2720 level, but the USD-CAD pair has support at 1.2650 to 1.2680. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.